Hello everyone, welcome to today's math class. Look at the question before us here. The question is 2 to the power of x plus y to the power of y equal to 640. Here we are told that x is greater than y. So how do we solve for the value of x and y that will satisfy this equation? So let's take our solution here. Take our solution. All right. Now, the first thing we're going to look at here is the left-hand side of the equation. You must have seen this challenge on the internet, and many persons use a particular approach. But today, I want to expose you to a different approach to solving this, a unique one. So today, you're going to learn something new here. So let's go into this challenge here now. So we have our 2 to the power of x plus our 2 to the power of y. This is equal to, we want to bring out expression on the right hand side that we have 2 to the power of a certain number and also 2 to the power of a certain number, keeping in mind that our x is greater than y. So let's go ahead and simplify this 640 based on the base number we have here, which is 2. So we're going to divide 640 by 2 until we get to a number that is not divisible by 2. So let's do it on this side. So here we have 640. Let's divide down. So we want to start with 2 here. 2 into 6 will give us 3. 2 into 4 will give us 2, 0. 2 can equally go into this. This will give us 1, 6, 0. 2 into this will give us 8, 0. 2 into 8 will give us 40. 2 into 40 will give us 20. 2 into 20 will give us 10. 2 into 10 will give us 5. Now 2 cannot go into this again. So we can express our 640 in the form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can rewrite the right hand side as our 2 to the power of 7, then times our 5. Easy, right? Good. Now, if we have this to this, we can separate this from this multiplication. So this will be written as our 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y, everything equal to 2 to the power of 7, bracket, our 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 will give us 5, right? Good. So let's still work on this part now. Here we can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2, and we can write 1 as 2 to the power of 0. According to the law of indices, we say that your a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, provided a is not equal to 0, because 0 to the power of 0 is undefined. So if a is not equal to 0, a is to any number, is any number. If a is any number, then this will hold. So let's rewrite the expression we have inside this bracket here. So this in turn will give us 2 to the power of 7, bracket, 2 to the power of 2, plus 2 to the power of 0, close bracket. Okay, so what we do, mind you, we have our expression here, 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y on this other side. So what we do, this 2 to the power of 7 is multiplying everything out here. Like I said earlier on, I said we want to express the left-hand side of the equation in this format. Where we're going to have 2 to the power of a certain number plus 2 to the power of another certain number. So from here, we're going to have this to be 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y. This is equal to, we can use this to multiply this. So this is going to give us 2 to the power of 7 times 2 to the power of 2 plus, we use this 2 again to also open this to give us 2 to the power of 7 times 2 to the power of 0. Here we are having a multiplication sign and the bases are the same. So what we do, we add the exponent. According to the law, it says that if you have your a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to your a to the power of m plus n. Remember this? Yes. So from here, we can now rewrite this and rewrite this. So this will now give us here our 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y. This is equal to 2 to the power of 7 plus 2, yeah, plus our 2 to the power of 7 plus 0. So we can easily add the exponents together. So we have here 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y. This is equal to 2 to the power of 9, then plus 2 to the power of 7. Here we've achieved what we want to achieve now. So we now have this to the x, this to y, and this to 9, this to 7. But we have to check if what we are given as a condition is met at this point here, and the one we can relate with each other, the one we can equate to each other. Here we are told that x is greater than y. Look at the power we have here, it's greater than the one we have on this other side. So we cannot do our comparison. So we take case one, our case one, what does it say? So we're going to have here 2 to the power of x will be equal to 2 to the power of 9. So the bases are the same. So the lead, then we can equate the exponent. So therefore, our x is equal to 9. Good. Now, we now take our case 2. So we have our case 2. What is our case 2? We are going to equate this to this. So this will now give us our 2 to the power of our y. This is equals to 2 to the power of 7. Again, these bases are the same, so they leave. We now have here y is equal to 7. So we have our x equal to 9 and our y is equal to 7. So we want to do a simple check if this actually satisfies the original equation. So let's take our check. So from our check, we're going to have our equation is 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y is equal to 640. So what is our x? Look at our x, 9 here. So we're going to have here 2 to the power of our 9 plus 2 to the power of 7 equals to 640. So what is 2 to the power of 9? 2 to the power of 9 will give us 512. Then 2 to the power of 7 will give us 128, right? Yeah, 128. This is equal to 640. So let's add up and see if this will give us our right hand side. So 2 plus 8 will give us 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2 will give us 3, plus the 1 in carry we have 4. 5 plus 1 will give us 6. So we have 640 equal to 640. So this shows that the two roots which we solve for, our x equal to 9 and y equal to 7, satisfy the original equation, which is 8. So if you learn something from this video tutorial, however simple it is, then give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not clear in any of the explanation, drop it in the comment section. We will reply to your comment, to your questions swiftly. Thanks for watching Math Prowess. See you in our next class. Bye.